You can do it easily. Add a midline. Draw another face shape for him. The neck is summarized by a cylinder. Use one if you want to twist your chest. Trapezoidal to break off the middle. There is a thickness here. Use a shorter cylinder for the waist. If you draw, use one, the shape of new underwear. Take it apart here. One of the favorites to do to women. So, can into fur open. There will be a bulge on the head here. Just use it. Me and stranger. People. I think I'm going to start missing you. But I just... The above words can be linked here. Then... If you have hands you want to see, you can do it. Point a cylinder. To resist. The chest cavity protrudes below W. Rock it here.